There you go. So basically the whole desk is your mouse pad. You've got like this whole, you're going to have a ton of desk real estate for that mouse to go all over, so you be as accurate as possible if you're FPS gaming. We've also got the hook on the lower left for your headset, but you'll have the option of putting and hooking on the monitor too if you don't like it setting that low, or the cable management just ends up not working at that particular location. Some other shots here. If you don't like the mouse pad they have built into it, then of course you can use your own. Here's kind of what it would look like in your space. Going with that red and black theme again. So with this, you could run 2 monitors or just one. This desk is actually a pretty decent price. At $120, that's pretty great for a gaming desk. In fact, you can find a lot that look very, very decent for under 100, but I always feel like this is where all your valuable stuff is going to sit. I'm okay paying some money for this. I want something that's very high quality.